Join Mohamed Taha, Senior Customer Success, as he reveals an overview of PraxiLabs' virtual lab, and discover with him why PraxiLabs is the top choice for universities worldwide.
Hello everyone, this is Mohamed Taha, a Senior Customer Success at PraxiLabs. And today I'm going to show you and take you in a tour in our platform to show you how to get the most out of PraxiLabs. Today I'm introducing one of the most common experiments and one of the expensive experiments as well, the real-time PCR. First of all, I will act as a first-time student inside our lab, so you can see what are the tools and options that will assist me as a first-time student. First of all, we have here, obviously, is our lab partner that will help me by showing all the instructions here. Also, I can expand this window so I can see if there is a diagram or table related to the experiment. And now I'm going to see you how our lab is an interactive lab. So you can move between the bench and see different perspectives. Also, you can zoom in and out simply like that. Otherwise, by clicking 3 steps, you can get back to the default position. Now, we're gonna introduce our menu that have many options and many tools that can help your students to understand exercises as well to evaluate themselves after or during performing the experiments. Let's get back to our lab. And here, before starting any experiment, you can see the learning outcomes. So we click next, and these are some messages that help students to know what to do before any experiments. Here told me I have to perform the PCR experiments in a clean environment and free from DNA. Also, you have to wear your gloves, but now I'm performing the experiment virtually, so no need to the gloves. I will click OK, and now I'm going to prepare the master mix. First of all, I will add the required amount, 93 microliters. From that, everything in the lab, as you can see, is labeled. So I will take 93 microliters from the deionized water, like that. I will take the tap, simply, then take the required amount and put it in our thumb. Here, I finished the first step. So doing or performing the experiment virtually does not mean letting the precautions of the lab to go down. Here I'm going to put the tap in the trash like that. So I can move directly to the step 2. Now I'm going to add another reagent to the master mix. I will click next to see the other instructions. We are going to complete preparing our master mix. As you can see, I will add the required amount, 150 microliters. Sorry, like that. Then take the micropipette, open the tube firstly, then choose the right one, add the tap, then take the required amount as mentioned, and put it inside the sample. There are many steps to complete and prepare the master mix, but I will take you to show you another feature in the lab. Here in the stage button, you can move between the stages like that, between the master mix preparation to the PCR device step. So if you master the whole experiment, but you need to teach the part of the device to your students like that, I didn't think your students had performed the full experiments using the device like that, performing the experiments using their own hands. Don't miss the chance to implement PraxiLabs in your institution and give the chance to your students to implement and try many devices and many experiments and enhance their learning experience using PraxiLabs. Just visit our website, PraxiLabs.com, and schedule a meeting with us. Just request a demo and we will arrange the rest. Thank you.
Feel free to contact us to book your own free demo session for yourself or your university.